Hello guys, in this video we are going to install Windows Server. So we click here new, here we enter the name, then here we select the version we want. Then here we give our specification of what we want. That's our RAM. Click on next. Here I'm going to use 20 gig. This depends on the size of your host machine actually. All right, so finish. We'll come back to setting. So at this point, guys, we'll select ISO, and this is where we are going to mount it. But I want to uncheck this floppy disk. I don't want it. So we're going to mount our ISO here. That's what I'm using, and it's okay. And so now we begin the installation there. Select our language and keyboard, hit install. Now, here we have, in this ISO, we have standard and we have data center. I'm going to use data center. And under data center, you see we have evaluation. This is core, and this is evaluation desktop experience. This one grants you GUI access, and then this one is going to be only command line. So I'm going to use desktop experience for GUI. Accept the license agreement. Custom installation. I don't have any existing, so I'm not using upgrade. And so installing it on the whole disk, I hit next. My installation commence. Here we enter our password, and this is the administrator password that we use to log in. Okay, so installation is completed now, and our server, everything is up right now as it is. The goal here is to make these videos short because a lot of persons usually don't like, they don't consume those long videos. So in the next video, we are going to configure Active Directory, and then we will promote to a domain controller. That's what we are going to do in the next video. And then it will be in a series. So guys, thank you for watching.